Hi, let's talk about IMV biopharma technical company that focuses on development of cancer immunotherapies and vaccines against infectious diseases using the DPX delivery technology platform. Drug pipeline looks this, so they have 5 products, and one of them is COVID-19 vaccine, which is currently on the phase 1. There's 4 others that usually the cancer, the lymphoma, and hepatitis B virus, and breast cancer. They are all in the phase 1 or 2, so it's pretty much on the research. Anyway, the stock price trading 95% below the site's estimated fair valuation. Revenue is forecasted to grow 70% per year, over 70% per year. There's also a bunch of the risks, has less than 1 year of cash runway, makes less than 1 million. Actually, it's 2,000 because they're pretty much in clinical stage. Currently unprofitable and not forecasted to become profitable over the next 3 years. Volatile share price over the past 3 months, and also one risks. Shareholders have been diluted in the past year. The market cap of the company is currently 133 million. That is the basically on the Friday close. Last share price and events. So we see here proxy vote issue, annual general meeting, earnings updates that are altogether leading the market performance. 1-year return minus 67%. 7-day return 18%. And if we look at the frames, 3-year return minus 68. This is actually volatile share. So if we open up the 1-year frame, so it looks like this. 5-year, so we see the volatility that it have. And on the max frame, so there's the pretty much volatile share price. And those numbers are not beating the industry, neither the market. And long-term price volatility considered as highest. Valuation side, based on simple Wall Street, fair valuation should be around $40 per share. TIP ranks market as $5 per share, so based on that, 214% upside. In good scenarios, 12-month forecast is $10 per share. Market Watch has, in good scenarios, $14 per share. In low, $2 per share. Average 7.8. And if we look at the Finviz, so actually this is pretty volatile, short-term decreasing, and only few days, pretty much this Friday close and also the mid-July, there was a higher volume than usually. So we see that there's a 5 million, 4 million, and basically Friday close almost 10 million in the volumes. The future growth 60% annual earning growth. So there's the analyzed forecast. So it's forecasted to decrease by the end of next year, and then possibly they could, some of the drugs that could be FDA approved, then they would sell that and profit from that. So usually those kind of companies are long-term, but there could be possibilities that they could be merging or being acquired by bigger company. Earnings per share growth is forecasted as well as since the 2023, but it's not forecasted to become profitable till the end of 2023. Past performance, so actually annual earning growth is decreasing by 32%. So we see here that the earnings are decreasing. Sales are pretty much on the same level. So there's a 2,000, 30,000, but not as significant. Anyway, the company is unprofitable. Financial health side, we see that equity is also have this volatility. They have debt, but it's currently 7 million, 30 million of cash, and equity 26 million. Debt to equity ratio is 26%. I think they're raising all the time. Them. If we look at the simple save dividends, that shares outstanding, yeah, keep increasing. Total sales decreased basically since the 2015. And balance sheet looks green. There's a debt marked as red, 7 million. They're not paying dividends, and on the insider transactions, yeah, we see here that individuals and company have been buying on July 20th. Max price 175 and it's currently 163. So this is actually, I think, this is actually good news. So those who invested, for example, if we open up this frame, yeah, 20%. This is actually interesting. Friday 20th, 21st, 140. Yeah. Anywhere 2.5 million was brought on the insider side. Ownership breakdown: general public holding 79%, institutions 11%, VC peer firms 8%, insiders 0.7%. Top shareholders, we see that there's on both sides, so there's green and red. And if we look at the biggest, yeah, so there's no Vanguard or BlackRock here. Yeah, anyway, last reporting holding date 20th of July, so pretty much last week. And yeah, last reporting holding 31st of March, May, March, January. Yeah, as I said, simple safe dividend shows that shares outstanding keep increasing and total sales are decreasing. If they print too much shares out, this could lead to this kind of situation where they need money, they dilute the shareholder, and the price goes down. But of course, for the research, they need some of the money, so they raise from printing shares out. And actually, there's let's look at the comments. So positive news coming out soon on preclinical trial for COVID-19 vaccine. They have introduced some virus variant mutation in the development. Market cap only 300 million. That was in February. Last year, August project. So there's nothing new comments basically within the volatility that it has currently. Anyway, theinvesting.com summary of the stock for long-term investors as a strong sell. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.